Friends and senior members of Bangladesh Supreme Court Bar Association, it's my pleasure to be able to appear before you with the message that I have been candidate for the post of Assistant Secretary in the Supreme Court Bar Association election. My ballot number is 1. My name is Farhad Uddin Ahmed. I have been practicing here in Bangladesh Supreme Court Bar Association since 2012, and since then I have been a regular practitioner. And I have to go to my long cherished working place since from morning to evening. A bitter experience I'd like to share with you. Apart from a few of the learned leaders, previous leaders of the bar, most of the learned previous leaders of the Bar Association used to earn money only appearing on behalf of the learned junior members of the bar. They would use their post and their position to earn money. Learned junior members of the bar would rush to them, more particularly to the secretary and the president of the bar, and they would earn handsome money from the learned junior advocates. Only for that tendency, they spend a lot of money here in the Bar Association election. So why we the junior learned advocate run after them is the matter of question. It may be some of the privileges they want and seek for the court by way of the appearance of the learned senior advocates, the president and secretary. So more specifically, what I need to focus on here is that why we should run after them. We are an advocate, we can polish ourselves, we can develop ourselves, we can make experience ourselves, and we can be much more associated with the legal research, and we can pave the way for bringing excellency in our submission and drafting. After that, we can ensure our betterment in our legal profession. But forgetting all sorts of things, we are just running after hiring the senior, and we are just paying the money just like the broker. That should be washed away from our mind and erased from our mind with a strong confidence that no way, we will never run after the president and secretary of the bar because they will earn a lot of money and we will just be a middleman. No, we don't want to be the middleman. We want to be a lawyer. We want to appear before the court, having applied our untiring efforts and our legal expertise. They may have a little bit latches. We will just try to mesh on it. We will just try to polish it by our honest trying and efforts. And for that reason, we need to arrange workshop, seminar, and training program for the development of ourselves. In neighboring country, India and some other country, we will find out that they are just advancing different kind of seminar, workshop, and training programs for the betterment of the learned advocates. But what we are doing here is very, very bad. We are just trying to engage our learned advocates in the political slogan, human chain and something like that, apart from our professional development, so on. So that's why the young learned advocates are nowadays being the victim of financial crisis, and they are just being bound to run after the senior advocates for appearing on behalf of them in the court and before the court. So it is a matter of great regret for all of us, because we have to identify ourselves as an advocate. So why should we just receive the brief from the client and we will just go to the chamber of the senior? We can get some information, we can get some advice, and we can get some help from the senior. It is not bad, but we should never be the dependent on the senior that he or she will just appear on behalf of us. It has to be stopped. That has made us paralyzed to be able to become the herald and pioneer like and the luminous star lawyer here in this country. That is hardly been found in Pakistan, that is hardly been found in India and some other countries. I visited different countries of the world, more particularly in South Asian countries. I visited different parts of the South Asian country, and I have found that the excellency and the professional dignity and the professional quality of the learned advocates of those countries' bar association. So what made us so much lagging behind is nothing. We are intended enough to get something special in a shortcut way, and we are running after making money. Legal profession is not such